If you need to write an addendum to contract today, I'm going to show you exactly how to go about it. Now, there is a formality and a structure to use. So if you use the structure and just implement all of your own specifics, it will still be legally bound. Without further ado, let's get into it. Alright, so the first thing we want to do when writing an addendum to contract is make sure that we're adding in just some information so that we know what is going on here. So we want a date, and this is the current date, the date that you're writing this addendum to contract, and then we want to add all the parties' details. So party A, party B, whoever is involved in the original contract, these are the people or parties that you want to mention here. So you want name and address of each party. And then we are going into the date of the original contract, and then we are going into the amendment. What are we changing here? So let's have a look here. We want to add the original section title, and then we want to amend it to, and then we're going to put in the detail here. All right, so what will be in this section essentially will be all of the changes added to your original contract. So whatever detail in here, this is where you need to put it. This is kind of like the most important part. So this is where you're going to put it all. Also, the second section over here, the confirmation, you will have to state that all other terms of the original contract will remain unchanged. We're going to go also now and make sure that this addendum is governed by the laws of the state that you are in or the region that you're in. So make sure that you put this information in as well. It is very important. This will make sure that this is legally bound. And then the next section is we are just going to add your formalities in witness whereof the parties have executed this addendum. And you'll see here for each party there is a signature, name, and date, and you will do this for party 2 or party B as well. So if you're taking this and you are going to just drop that there, make sure that this is the second party's. And then you have now successfully written an addendum to contract. And as I mentioned previously, you need to just add in as much information into this section over here as possible, because this is where all of the changes will be stated. I hope this was helpful.